Let's talk about STALKER, the Immersive Mod Guide. Binoculars maps poltergeists more in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
We are about to embark on an ultimate immersive mod guide showing you how to truly become one with the zone, from mastering binoculars for critical intel and navigating treacherous anomalies to confronting elusive poltergeists without relying on a full-blown map. Prepare yourself to experience STALKER as it was truly meant to be played. In the zone, information is survivable, and your binoculars are your primary tool for gathering it. Forget relying on HUD markers or mini-maps to identify distant threats, scout anomaly fields, and pinpoint valuable artifacts. This isn't just about magnification. It's about tactical awareness and preparing for the unknown. Mastering this simple tool will dramatically enhance your sense of vulnerability and cunning. Cast aside your digitals and embrace the tactile sensation of a physical map. Navigating the zone becomes a far more deliberate and nerve-wracking process. When you're orienting yourself by landmarks and the sun rather than a glowing icon, this forces you to truly learn the terrain, making every discovery and every shortcut feel earned. The zone is a labyrinth, and your paper map is your guide, but only if you know how to read it under pressure. Immersive mod elevates sound to an art form, making every whisper of the wind, every distant growl, and every anomaly's hum critically important. Turn off those enemy indicators and learn to differentiate the rustle of a bush from the heavy footfalls of a lurking mutant. Audio cues become your sixth sense, often your only warning before danger's upon you. Pay close attention to the spatial audio. It's the difference between life and a swift, brutal end. Poltergeists in immersive mod are not just glowing anomalies. They are truly terrifying forces of telekinetic energy. Without visual indicators, you'll need to listen for the shifting objects, the faint hum of their presence, and the subtle environmental distortions that betray their position. Tracking these invisible threats requires patience and keen observation, forcing you to use your senses rather than relying on a health bar or target lock. Prepare for heart-pounding encounters where your wits are your only defense against the unseen.